Hey everyone! Before we dive in, we want to give a big shout out to TACA, the Arts Community Alliance, and Moody Fund for the Arts. This season of Dance Behind the Screen podcast is powered in part by their support. Because of them, you're getting free episodes wherever you listen, full video interviews on YouTube, and our amazing guests receive an artist stipend. If you love what we do and want to support the work, head over to KNOWBOX All right, let's get into it.
KNOWBOX Dance presents Dance Behind the Screen, process production, and social media. Don't forget, say no to the box. Dile no a la caja. 고정관념 이란 상자에서 벗어나세요.
Hello, and welcome to Dance Behind the Screen podcast. This is Season 7. I'm Martheya, and I'm proud to represent KNOWBOX Dance, a global hub where dance meets technology, creativity, and innovation. This season, we're diving into a powerful theme: strategic planning and technological innovation in arts and culture. From the rise of social media to the possibilities of AI, VR, and beyond, we're exploring how these emerging tools are reshaping dance as we know it. You'll hear from artists, choreographers, and industry leaders about how they're navigating and pioneering in this digital age. But before we jump in to those inspiring conversations, I want to take a moment to reflect on our own transformation here at KNOWBOX Dance. Over the past year, we've been proud participants in the Arts Community Alliance TACA Arts Accelerator Program, a 10-month journey of workshops, mentorship, guest speakers, and peer learning. Designed in collaboration with Suzanne Smith, founder and CEO of Social Impact Architects, which you'll hear from on this season, this program helped us dig deep, clarify our vision, and create a detailed 5-year strategic plan. It's been a game changer. We've reimagined every layer of our organization, refining our mission, re-articulating our values, redefining leadership roles, and aligning our actions with a bold new direction for the future. That's why this season isn't just about conversations with experts. It's about sharing real, tangible tools and insights that can help you grow. Whether you're building your own company, launching a creative project, or finding new ways to share your work with the world. So let's get started. Welcome to Season 7 of Dance Behind the Screen. In today's episode, I'll share a little bit about our journey at KNOWBOX Dance. I'll talk about who we are, what we do, why it matters, and how you can be a part of it. But first, I want to recognize the incredible KNOWBOX Dance team. Yejin Choi, Raina Mondragon, Azaria Hogans, and Wilbur Mendoza. Their creativity and dedication power everything we do. To quote the legendary writer Toni Morrison, "Art is not a luxury. Art is a necessity." These words feel especially urgent today. Dance impacts the world profoundly by telling stories, enriching cultures, and fostering community. Amid the recent events surrounding the National Endowment for the Arts and funding cuts, we are reminded that the arts, and dance in particular, are essential to our lives. At KNOWBOX Dance, we're harnessing this momentum, combining dance with technology, and together we can ensure dance remains a vital, visible force in our world. According to research at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, and I quote, "Experiencing dance, whether doing it ourselves or watching it, has profound effects on our physical, mental, and emotional well-being." KNOWBOX Dance is a dance think tank, a global hub for innovation, creative exploration, and the advancement of new ideas in dance and the arts. At KNOWBOX Dance, we don't just think outside the box, we eliminate it. We say no to the box and yes to the future of dance, which means rejecting limitations and embracing innovation. Our mission is to center dance artists, amplify their work, and leverage technology to connect them with audiences and creators worldwide. Through our international hubs and networks, we cultivate a dynamic exchange of ideas, enriching the future of dance. Our vision is to evolve dance into the next century by fostering a globally connected community that bridges tradition and innovation. Through technology, we connect new audiences to dance's rich history, spark artistic collaborations across cultures, and ignite a lasting passion in the next generation. We have 5 core values, which is best demonstrated in an acrostic, which illustrates how dance is the heart of our organization. The D is dance as a driver of change. We actively create spaces where dance can inspire creativity, foster collaboration, and spark meaningful conversations. By embracing dance's multidimensional nature, we ignite change through experiences, workshops, and dialogue that challenge perspectives and encourage new ways of thinking. A, artist-driven action. We prioritize the needs of dance artists in everything we do. From the planning stage to execution, we collaborate closely with artists to ensure they are supported, compensated fairly, and empowered to share their work with the world. We actively listen, provide resources, and create opportunities that celebrate their artistry and vision. We foster an environment that encourages continuous learning, resilience, and personal growth. Through educational programs, mentorship, and outreach, we equip individuals with the tools to explore their creative potential, adapt to new challenges, and contribute positively to society, both within and beyond the dance community. C, commitment to quality and inclusivity. We are committed to delivering exceptional experiences that are accessible to all. Whether through performances, partnerships, or community initiatives, we ensure that diverse voices and backgrounds are amplified, and we provide equitable opportunities for everyone, artists, audiences, and supporters alike. E, encourage creativity and risk-taking. We champion environments where creativity knows no boundaries and risk-taking is encouraged. We create opportunities for innovation in both performance and collaboration by challenging conventional limitations and embracing bold ideas. We support artists and individuals who push the envelope, take chances, and transform the way dance is experienced. Our programming includes an international dance festival, dance distribution, think of us as an art dealer for dance, pop-up events, and what you're listening to right now, Dance Behind the Screen podcast. In the book, The Anxious Generation, Jonathan Haidt states, smartphones grab our attention so powerfully that if they merely vibrate in our pockets for a tenth of a second, many of us will interrupt a face-to-face conversation. We believe dance is more essential than ever, grounding us in the physical, the human, and the now. In our model, technology doesn't replace embodied experience, it amplifies it, ensuring dance evolves with innovation, not against it. The question KNOWBOX Dance asks is, how can we honor dance's rich history and physical and embodied nature while embracing tools that expand its reach and impact? At KNOWBOX Dance, we center dance artists, uplifting their work with fair compensation and support. We use technology as a tool to extend, not replace, the embodied experience of dance. We create spaces for experimentation, where artists can take risks and audiences can engage through all senses to read, watch, move, and hear about dance. We expand accessibility, making dance available across borders and beyond barriers of language, cost, and geography. What sets us apart isn't just what we do, but how we do it. Our dance think tank approach is a collaborative ecosystem of artists, educators, and leaders who are reimagining how dance is created, experienced, and shared. We create multidimensional access points where dance meets technology, storytelling, and interaction. And unlike many models, we don't ask artists to work for exposure, like so many of us have heard before. But instead, we're committed to fair pay, entrepreneurial support, and cultivating opportunities in unconventional spaces. We serve two key audiences: global audiences seeking engaging dance experiences, and dance artists looking to grow professionally. We're uniquely positioned to expand our reach, foster connection, and deliver innovative, inclusive programming that resonates worldwide. To reach these audiences and achieve our mission, our strategic plan focuses on 3 impact goals with clear measurable outcomes. Since 2018, KNOWBOX Dance has prioritized artist empowerment. We consistently compensate artists and collaborators. Our goal is to ensure fair pay while equipping artists with tools, networks, and platforms to amplify their impact. Together, we're shaping a future where artists are not only compensated, but truly empowered to lead as entrepreneurs, driving innovation and change in the arts. KNOWBOX Dance is advancing accessibility by removing barriers that limit who can engage with dance. We will deepen our use of technology to bridge gaps in geography, language, and economics, building on our multilingual website and social media presence. Future initiatives include expanding our network of international ambassadors and co-creating programs with community partners to ensure cultural relevance and responsiveness. Over the next 5 years, we will inspire audiences by expanding our presence in higher education and cultural institutions through curriculum-integrated programs and strategic partnerships, positioning dance as a vital component of interdisciplinary learning and artistic collaboration. We will also work to increase our global visibility by leveraging social media, streaming platforms, our catalog, and immersive digital technologies. You can read more about what we've built out in our strategic plan by visiting the link in our show notes. This is KNOWBOX Dance, where the box is gone and the future is now. Join us in shaping the future of dance. We're leveling up our leadership and seeking board members. Are you ready to make an impact? If you're interested in learning more about the KNOWBOX Dance strategic plan, please visit the link in our show notes. Thanks for joining us on this special kickoff episode of Dance Behind the Screen podcast season 7. We're excited to take you behind the scenes, not just of dance performances, but of the planning, strategy, and innovation that makes them possible in today's rapidly changing world. As we continue this season, we'll be bringing you conversations with visionary leaders who are blending creativity with technology and strategic thinking to push the boundaries of what dance and the arts can be. Whether you're an artist, arts leader, educator, or creative entrepreneur, our hope is that these episodes will spark new ideas and give you practical tools to support your own journey. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your community. And if you want to dive deeper, connect with us on social media or visit knowboxdance.com to learn more about our programs and the work we're doing. Until next time, keep dancing with intention, curiosity, and innovation. I'm Martheya, and this is Dance Behind the Screen. Thanks for tuning in to Dance Behind the Screen podcast. Keep dancing, keep innovating. See you next time.
Thanks for taking your time to tune in to Dance Behind the Screen, a bi-monthly interview series where we go behind the screen to question process, product, and social media. Be sure to follow us on social media at KNOWBOX Dance. See you next time, and don't forget to say no to the box.